guys, I received another package, and this would be an electronic component thing. It's marked as a gift, so yeah, worth about $3. So well, let's open it. Okay, something else? No, that's all. Oh, that came in pretty fast. These are the 5 charger boards. Sealed, is it? No, it isn't. Not sure how these were called again. I'll add that later, but yeah. Focus, yes. So for the battery we have 2 terminals and the output. So you can also use this as your battery protection. And then you can use your 5-volt input to, well, just charge them. So each of this one is for one single cell. So yeah. Okay guys, I got my stuff. Let's check the battery voltage first. .07. Then this is just the power bank, a power meter, and a little cord, which is a bit, yeah, how you doing, but it does work. So let's plug it in. Okay. Now that one is done. Well, it's not done, it's charging now with half an amp. Well, 40 milliamps. No, 400 milliamps. Should set it correctly, of course. Let's see the voltage now, which should be around 4.2 volts, I guess. Get in there. Yes. 4.09. So that got up to millivolts. Oh wait, it also said it's fully charged now, as you can see. But yeah, that's kind of how it works. So when you just, let's redo that. Just get a red LED there for when it's charging. It's charging at half an amp. So I'm not sure if this thing charges then 1 amp to the 3.7 volt or less or more, I'm sure. I can also get that, can I? Yes, I can. Yeah, let's just try it. Switch this one to there. Normally that one is black, I guess, but I don't care. It should work. Okay. Let's just see how much current this thing charges at. Or still my fuse blown, also possibility. Yeah, probably is. Okay, let's just, well, get in another fuse. This thing on the side a bit. If I'm correct, I didn't have any screws in there. There's a pain in a bit. Open this thing though. Yes. Yes. Yeah, one is blown. And that one is fine. Just going to focus. Not sure if you can see it. I see a wire there though. Should be that side. So it should be this one then. Is there any difference? Focus. Let's look at the labeling, which is almost not readable, but okay. So there's 1.2 amps, which is this one. Okay. What isn't that side holding it? Okay, that's better. Now let's get my boxes of fuses. Still happy I bought a bulk pack of those. Well, just getting full of them. And the other one was just 10 amps. About 10 amp. This one is 3 amp. And this one 15. So this one should be 10. 250 volts, how many amps? Okay, this one is 10 amps. Click those a bit together. Let's slip that one in. Okay. Put this one on its back. Okay. Normally I just put the black one in the comb. Not sure why, but okay. Let's also try the other fuse. Just like that. And just probe it. Okay, it should be alright. Why are you not working then? Okay. This one should make good contact. Okay, it is working. Is it just my battery holder again? Also a possibility, of course. Nothing. Is it a negative side problem? Why are you not doing anything? That's pretty weird. Oh, wait guys. Probably the battery is just a bit too full. So I guess just get my other one. did see it though. So when it's fully charged, it isn't it doesn't give any current. So this one should be a bit more empty. At least now it should be a little bit. These batteries do charge fast because of they aren't really that much capacity, so it also charges fast. So just let's leave this one on high in the background there. This one also can drain a bit. Let's put that one in back. You also can see when it's just open circuit, when that little, let me show it you a bit better. The little red LED blinks a little bit. So you can see it just open circuit, so it doesn't see any battery at all. So that's how you can see that. And when I put in the cell, you can see it isn't blinking, so it does see it. And I also just used a cord for this one to just, so just can pull it out instead of using a screwdriver and damaging the plastic, which is pretty important so it doesn't short or anything. Although these cells are not strong enough to destroy themselves. They will only get hot, but nothing more. So they're pretty safe, but yeah, it's not the best thing to do, so now I'll just use some cord. This stuff is strong enough, so that ain't the point. Just shove it in there and pop. Although it doesn't sit in that nice now, but it's not for always this. So clicking now, it sees it. This thing also gets a bit warm. Yes, this thing still works fine, so that's nice. So let's now put in the battery again. A bit there. Then M&M's, yes. It does see it, but it's not enough current. So maybe if we put it in a lower range. But I guess that's the one on the other side, if I'm correct. Or not sure. Ah, yes. So it's, that ain't much at all. It's giving, 0.4.6 milliamps, so half a milliamp to the battery. So that's, for the rest of it, that's good. So I guess I'll just shove these batteries in my flashlight, the OLED. Let's do that for a second. That thing does drain them pretty fast. Where did I leave my lights? Right there. This little light. Well, it's not small, but you get the point. The nice two OLED batteries. Then we'll shove in these ones. Okay, let's put it on. This is high. Yes, this thing is still bright, but yeah. Do I still have more? Not yet. Well, I don't have the other batteries anymore, so yeah. Those two and the other tools are in here. So I only have 4 18650 batteries now. 2 are in here and 2 are in here now. The flashlight, so yeah. And I still got some power banks left, of course. 4 now. But it's always handy. So if one burns out, well, I got 3 others. I can use one for these two. So you get a 6800 milliamp hour battery bank. Yeah, it also would work pretty nicely. It's getting a bit warm, not hot. Still got 3 modes. Okay, let's try it now. This should be a little bit drained now, at least a little bit. Normally I always have batteries which are empty, but in this case, well, not. What was it? 250 milliamps. I know this thing maybe is capable of charging at 1 amp, which isn't the best thing, but yeah. Okay, 1 amp. No, 10 amp, 10 amp. That's alright. Okay. 300 milliamps. 350. Okay, about 340. So that's pretty good. Yeah. That current is fine. It's not too high, so that's fine. If it does give 1 amp, the full 1 amp, it probably is going to damage the battery cell a bit, since it don't like getting charged at that high current. So yeah, let's try this one. Come on. Begin again, please. It's 4 again, I guess. Yeah, it is. So it's charging about 340 milliamps. Let's just charge the other one then, and just spin that one a bit. As you can see the red light turning on and or off. See that one? Wow. For 1000 milliamp hours, the batteries are fine, but in either case, this thing does charge at 350 milliamps now. Not sure how much it will charge when they are empty. But I don't have empty batteries now, and this thing takes ages to really discharge completely. Just the big flashlight, well, still takes ages, so yeah. That's kind of it for today. Since these chargers still do work, and I still got some other things to mention about this one. We have more ports on here. Let's focus it again. Focus. Yes. You have the out plus, the out minus, and they are also protected, at least when this thing is undercharged or over discharged. Then it won't give any voltage through there. So that's pretty handy to have. So it also could be used as a battery protection and as a battery charger. But you can't put them in series with the other ones. So you have two next to each other. You can just hook this one up and this one up for that one. You can't do that. Then you have to isolate the ground from this one and this one, so they don't cause a short, because if a minus for this one is a minus for this one, so that would cause a short, so that ain't good. So you just have to watch out for that. Just shove them in parallel and do get the same capacity though. In parallel, this is the best. Then this thing would just charge them up, well, 350 milliamp. So that's all. Well, okay guys, that's it for today. And I will be using these ones for just driving these ones. The little Class D amplifiers, 6 watts each. And I got 10 of them. So you can just wire them to a lot of speakers. Then have a small Bluetooth speaker with it. And use this one to charge it all. So you just can run it from a USB. Probably gonna use 4 of these 18650 batteries with the holders in it, or a little hobby box besides it, or anything. Have to find out how I will do that one, but we're just going to use these ones as a charge board for the batteries to drive these ones, the amplifier. So that's it for today. So yeah, see ya.